Hi, I'm Buddy Lindsay. Welcome back to Lindsay Acres Farm. Today we're going to look at sharpening some chisels. Never done it before, but I'm going to give it a shot. I bought this set from MPower. It is a kind of an all-in-one kit. Let's see what it comes with. The first thing it comes with is the stone. It comes with actually two stones, 300 grit, 1200 grit on a single thing. It comes with these magnetic kind of stands, which is kind of cool. So we'll just put these on here. Put those on there. Now you put it on and it doesn't move a lot. I mean, it really takes some effort to move it. So that should give us a good base for actually sharpening. And then on top of that, we have a leather strop that you can put on afterwards whenever you need to do that final segment. And if you look, I mean, it goes pretty good. The next thing it comes with is some lubricant for the stones themselves. It comes with some stuff to give it a shine, some wax, and then some cleaner for the stone. I've never done this before, so we're going to give it a run through to see if we can't figure it out. This is my first time. So as I understand it, the first thing we need to do is put some lubricant on it. All right, we're gonna start with this small one here. First thing that we want to do is we want to get a flat back, because we're going to sharpen the front of that to get a sharp little point to it. If you look closely, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's some grind marks from the grinding stone. We want to try to get those gone as we're working through it. So the first thing we're going to do is flat, and we're just going to move across the whole surface here. The main thing is we want to get the back flat, but we don't necessarily need to get it all flat. We just want the top of it to get flat. So let's look. Still think we need to get some more done here. Okay, we have that, so let's go ahead and we're gonna flip this over so we get the 1200 grit. We're gonna go with our lubricant, and here we go. Now I might need to spend more time on this because these have never been sharpened before. These are brand new out of the package, and so I might need to do this a couple of times to really see about getting that flat back end. Okay, now put the cover on here, and we're going to go with our stage 3 blue wax for fine finishing. See how this works. Never used this before, so I don't know. How do you use this stuff? There we go. I think I'm getting it. I'm getting it. All right. So I'm just going to pull on this because I don't want to rip the leather. I don't know if that's a thing. I just don't know. Like, I'm still learning here. Figure if I push, it's going to rip the leather, and I cut the leather in a bad way, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, look at that shine coming in there. Let's do a little more. I think we're getting it. So I'm just going to... All right. Yeah. If I do this, I can kind of see myself. It's probably not as perfect as it needs to be, but for a first go, I think it's pretty good. All right, here's what we're going to do. Now that we have this, you can see there's a slight, I can't remember what the name is, but basically it's a burr. If I were to do that, I would knock it off. What I want to do next is we have done the back, we've gotten the back flat. Now we need to work on this tip. So to do that, we need to take off the strop. I'm going to switch back to the 300 grit. I need some more lubricant. Do that. All right. Now we're going to find the angle here. Kind of what I'm doing is I'm kind of pushing down and letting it naturally figure out where it goes. And then just kind of going along with it here. Okay. I think that's good for the 300. Let's go ahead and flip it over. 1200. Nope. So we're working on that. Let's make sure we have some lubrication. Trying to there we go. Let's go back to the strop. Okay. So it does a lot of it, and this should give a bar back there, and then we'll pull back once, and that should give us a good shine and a great sharp point. Let's give this a test. Wow. Look at that. Just do a little bit at a time. Wow, yeah, look at this. That's good. I think it could be better, but literally for the first time ever, using a chisel, well, and sharpening with my own stone, I think this is pretty good. So I mean, with that in mind, that is the kit. That is the MPower kit. I think I went with the, maybe the MPower 5000, I don't know what it was. I just went to the website and kind of looked and found a 2-set kit. That's a 12,000 grit, a 300 grit, or 1200 grit and 300 grit with a strop, everything ready to go. And I think that did really well. Again, this is my first time. I know I've said that 100 times at this point, if you haven't guessed. And I am super happy with this. So now I need to go through and do the rest of these, and I'm gonna leave you to it. I just want to do this quick little video and talk about this. They're not a sponsor. I bought this on my own, and it's something that I need to learn. So with that in mind, I thank you for watching. I thank you for following along, and we'll see you next time as we build something together with these chisels.